In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view, assign, and edit forms from Jotform tables. Whether you're a seasoned Jotform user or just starting out, understanding how to navigate your way through the submissions table is essential. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you are most comfortable with. You'll begin by searching for Jotform in the browser's search bar. Once you see the Jotform website in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This is your portal to managing all your forms. Next, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. However, if you're new to Jotform, you will need to sign up. It's a quick process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, your main task will be to access your form's submissions table. This table is essentially a comprehensive view of all the data people have submitted using your forms. You'll likely find this table on your dashboard under the My Forms section. Simply click on the form name to open its submissions table. Now, here's an important thing to notice. Right next to the form name in the submissions table, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. You'll see several options, but for today, we'll focus on the Form option. Click Form, and you're presented with 3 choices: View Form, Assign Form, and Edit Form. Each of these actions has its own set of uses. If you choose View Form, it opens up the form in a new tab. This is a great way to preview the form as your users would see it. You can interact with it and ensure everything looks and functions as expected. If you need to collaborate with others, you might want to assign the form to team members. The Assign Form option lets you do just that. You can specify who you want to grant access to, whether it's just to view the submissions or to edit them as well. It's especially useful for teamwork, keeping everyone updated and involved. Finally, if you want to make changes to the form itself, Edit Form is what you need. This option opens the form in Jotform's Form Builder. Here, you have the freedom to adjust the form's structure, add or remove fields, and tweak settings to better suit your needs. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've accessed, viewed, assigned, and edited forms all through Jotform tables. By using these options effectively, you're better equipped to manage your forms and, ultimately, your data collection process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and don't hesitate to explore more features and make the most out of Jotform. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.